Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of my new Bang Olufsen Beoplay H4 wireless over-ear headphones. I got this on KrisShop using my KrisFlyer miles, and for those of you who don't know, KrisFlyer is Singapore Airlines customer loyalty program where you can collect miles and stuff for your flight. So yeah, that is the front of the box with a picture of the headphones, B&O Play H4 wireless over-ear headphones, and below it says pure design, pure sound, and pure materials. Since this uses Bluetooth, there is the Bluetooth logo as well. On the side, another picture of the headphones and more words below. On the bottom, just says designed by Bang & Olufsen in Denmark and produced in China. Some other languages with the same words, barcode, serial number, and all that. Nothing on the top except the handle, and on the back just a side view of the headphones with some information regarding the various parts, get started easily, and all that. So yeah, let's go ahead with the unboxing. Alright. Lift this part up, and we are presented with the headphones themselves. It does feel a bit light, but I guess this feels sturdy as well. Put that aside. Further inside. So, behind this box, you get the USB to micro USB cable and the 3.5mm jack, or rather cable if you do not want to use the wireless function. And right here is the quick start guide. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H4 wireless over-ear headphones. Thanks for watching and goodbye.